Ever wondered how Bitcoin actually works? Let's explore this mystery in 60 seconds. Bitcoin isn't controlled by any single planet or government. It runs on a decentralized network of computers called nodes that verify every transaction. Every Bitcoin transaction is recorded in a public logbook called the blockchain, which keeps a secure, unchangeable history of all transactions. Miners are like space miners. They use powerful computers to solve complex puzzles, confirming transaction ends and earning new bitcoins as a reward. And that's how Bitcoin works. Powered by tech, protected by cryptography, and free from central control.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.